90% of you guys watching me right now might be stuck on your 9 to 5 job, or you are studying, trading, and also working your 9 to 5 job. Now, most of you might want to quit your 9 to 5 job so that you can focus on trading full time. I will give you advice on that. Okay, I'll give you advice on that. Basically, I've been trading for over a year now, and I will tell you something based on my experience of the market, alright, or of the industry entirely. Alright, so first of all, I wouldn't advise you to quit your job just to focus on trading when you are not yet profitable. Keyword. You shouldn't quit your job and focus on trading full time when you are not yet profitable, when you have not even stopped losing. So chances are, when you stop that your job and there is no money coming in, and you focus on trading, when you start losing those money, you start running out of cash. There is no money to pay your bills, to eat, to even feed yourself. You don't have money for that because you already put this money in your bank, in your trading account. And when you are doing this, when you put your life savings in your trading account, your last card or the last money in your bank account, in your trading account, it makes you feel emotional while trading. I don't know if you're understanding me. When you have only this money, like $100, or let me say just $500 you have in your bank account, and you put all this money in your trading account, while you are trading, you'll be so emotional to even take some kind of trade. You even do analysis and not take the trade because you are scared of losing money, because that is your hard-earned money, even your last money in your bank account. So I wouldn't advise you to quit your job and focus on trading when you are not yet profitable, because if you are trading with all your hard-earned money, you invest all your money in your trading account, you'll be trading with greed, FOMO, anxiety, and all this put together is going to disturb you from becoming profitable. Alright, because when you lose a trade, from that $500 you lose a trade, you'll be struggling to get that money back. That money you lost, you'll be struggling to get it back. That is when you lose even more. Understand? That's when you lose even more. And you'll be scared of losing money, and you'll be scared of entering some particular trades because you might feel that this trade might go against me. And surprisingly, that trade will play out. So these things, they are very manipulative. Don't quit your job to focus on trading. Make sure you are profitable first. Alright? Make sure you are firstly profitable before you quit that 9 to 5 job and focus more on trading. Now, it is really tiring after working a 9 to 5 job, coming home. Chances are you might want to relax and just eat and watch Netflix. But this is where you should ask yourself some questions. Okay? This is what determines how you want it, how bad you want it. Many people comes back from their 9 to 5 job, comes home, relax, eat, watch Netflix, and just sleep off. But you that want it really bad, you shouldn't be sleeping, you shouldn't be watching Netflix or doing some bullshit. All you need is to study trading at that time, even at your free time at work. At your free time at work, you are supposed to pull out your trading chart or whatever, or some course that you bought, and study trading. Just be doing it like this until you become profitable. Then you can be thinking of quitting your job. Alright, you don't quit your job when you are not yet profitable. While you are studying trading, doing your 9 to 5 job and whatever, while you are on your way in becoming a profitable trader, you need some books to guide you, or some guidelines, which I will recommend you to try out these books I'm about to mention right now. Alright, so first of all, try out or study Trading in the Zone, The Hedge Fund Market Wizards, The Market Wizards, and 10 Essentials of Forex Trading. Alright, these books are very, very important. Okay, they are good, you study them. Okay, they are going to teach you a lot psychologically about markets and also technically. Alright, so while you are studying all these trading books, these are the things you should do, because basically all these books I mentioned for you guys are someone else's experience. Okay, basically if I want to write a book, if I'm an author of a book, I will write it based on my own experience. If I'm talking about the market, I'm talking about the market based on my own experience. Alright, so this is someone else's experience. Now, I want you to read this book also the same way as you are studying those trading courses, and also the same way as you are learning from those trading videos that you are watching. Alright, I want you to do all these things together and forge your way out. Okay, forge your way out. Basically, these books are not written recently or in this generation time. Okay, they are old books. So most of the things you see in those books don't work anymore. So while you are studying, forge your way out. Okay, gain clarity in what you are doing and understand the market on your own way. Alright, there are people who are trading with supply and demand and making money from trading. There are people who are trading support and resistance and they are making money from trading. There are people who are trading just liquidity concepts or ICT concepts. Alright, so don't be a jack of all trades and a master of none. Alright, look for one particular strategy. Okay, as a beginner, I would like you to try most of this strategy out. Okay, I didn't say you should be switching strategies. Alright, stick to one strategy, and because all strategy do work, so stick to one particular strategy and just keep backtesting and keep trying it out. Okay, until it plays out. Alright, if it's not playing out yet, it means you have not yet mastered that strategy. So you need to do much work. There are much work to do concerning you. Alright, that is affecting your trading account. So it's not the strategy, it's you yourself. So work on yourself. Alright, so there are a lot of strategy out there. So just look for one and just gain clarity about this particular strategy and just work with it. It's very important to know when you approach the market, you know what you are waiting for and what you are after. So when price just presents these things to you, you just take the trade without hesitation, without any doubt or FOMO or fear. You don't fear anything, you just take the trade because you know what you have been waiting for and you know what you have been trading that has been working for you. Alright, so these things are very simple. It's good that you know what you are looking for in the market. So when you look at the charts, you know what you are waiting for and what you are not waiting for. So when the chart did not give you what you want, then you don't take that trade. You don't trade for that day until you see something or until you see the chart giving you what you want or what you do trade with. Alright, so these things are very simple. Like I said before, and I will always say it again and again, it all depends on you. Okay, it falls back to how bad you want it. Alright, ask yourself this question: how bad do you want it? Because this is what will determine what you are doing. Okay, there is no time wasted as a forex trader. No time wasted. Journal down how your life is, particularly the things you do on a daily basis. Journal down the time you do practice these things. Okay, one after the other, just write it down, the things you do at so particular time, and let's all be the right things. Write them down and just keep doing these things repeatedly. Alright, just keep doing it repeatedly. The next day you do it, the following day you do it also. Okay, for you to be consistent, it depends on how bad you want it. That is why I keep saying these things. It depends on how bad you want it. So ask yourself this question and know. Alright, and I will also talk about those of you guys that have been listening to those people around you that is telling you that you need to make money before you start trading forex. You see these things? If you know yourself and you know what you are doing, you can't be listening to some bullshit advice. Alright, even if it's coming from an old man, because there are foolish people that still grow old. Alright, foolish people do grow old. So I hope you understand this, that when someone is giving you advice, you take the one that is important from all the advice and just leave the rest for him or her. Alright, so these are the things you should be working with. You should have at the back of your mind. You know yourself more than anyone else's do. Okay, so if you are really ready to learn or master trading, you should be ready to face challenges. Alright, and believe in yourself and keep doing what you are doing repeatedly and make sure they are the right things. Alright, make sure they are the right things. And you invest a $10,000 on your live account, on your trading account, or let's say a $5,000 on your trading account. think about it, you blow that account in just a space of few days, because you know nothing about risk management and you know nothing about market structure or any candlestick understanding. You know nothing about the markets, and you are approaching the market with your hard-earned money just because you have now made money from trading. Sorry, just because you now had money, you now have money, so you think you can just approach the market and just make money just like that. It's crazy. So think about it. You need to have this basic knowledge. So stop listening to people advising you that you need to make money first before you start trading. So when you finally make that money now and now invest that money and blow the account, what will you call that? So the right time is now. Okay, this is the best time you start trading. Okay, if you know you really want to trade and you love trading, okay, if you love trading, then you start now. This is the right time. All right. At this time, I don't want you to be only interested in trading. I don't want you to be only interested in trading. I want you to be obsessed with trading. Alright, because when you are interested, you will just watch the people who are obsessed take over chances. They will just make it before you because you are interested. You are just seeing things happening. You are not obsessed in making it happen for yourself. So you have to be obsessed about becoming a profitable trader before you finally become a profitable trader. Alright. And like I have said, firstly, you shouldn't quit your job to focus on trading when you are not yet profitable, because you need to have like a side income. Okay, you need to have a side income to be able to fund your daily bills, because there is no guarantee in the market that you will make this particular money at the end of the month. You make this particular money at the beginning of the month, or at the end of the week, or at the end of the day. There is no chances like that. Okay, it's quite 50-50. You might even end up with a bad month. You can end up with a good month or a good week. All right, so you don't predict what you are making for the week or for the month, so you don't know. That's why you need an outside or an additional stream of income. All right, so you don't get depressed by the market, because if you don't have an outside job or another job that is fetching you money, when you invest your money on trading, you will be so bad to be over trading. You'll be so bad that you even take trade when there is no good opportunity, some low probability trade. You just take the trade just because you want to make money to sort out your bills for the week or for the month. You just start over trading just because you want to make money to pay your bills. So you need that your 9-to-5 job. So it depends on how bad you want it, and this is what will help you to be really serious. Okay, it's not easy. So how bad you want it will tell you if you really want it. All right, so just do it the way you want it. If you see that you don't really want it that bad, then that means trading is not for you while you are working your 9-to-5 job, because you shouldn't quit that job. All right, you shouldn't quit that job. So if you can't be consistent in doing these things that I just mentioned, then you shouldn't look at trading. Just be doing your 9-to-5 job and just live an average lifestyle. All right, so these are very simple. These things are very simple. They might not be simple for you, but they are simple for me, because these are the things I do on a daily basis. All right, and I've been doing this for a year now. So try this out and see if it works for you, and I believe it's going to work for you. Not see, it's going to work for you if you are doing the right thing. Write those things down, those important things and the right thing, and just keep doing them repeatedly. Even if you are working your 9-to-5 job, just also do them. Even if you are not working, keep doing them. All right, and happy trading day and happy trading week.